Darcei.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your favorite bald-headed bitch back at it again with another video. So I asked you guys what I should do next for my Black Girls Tries video on my Instagram. So I'm sorry to say, if you're not following me on Instagram, you missed out, girl. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram right now. Alright. A bunch of you guys said that you wanted me to try Japanese makeup, specifically Japanese Igari makeup. So as you guys may have noticed, I tend to usually do more Korean beauty looks. But today we're doing a Japanese look because A, you suggested it, and B, I really want to get out of my comfort zone a little bit, you know, just explore a little bit. But because we're doing that, I gotta do some research, guys. So I googled, what in the heckaroni is Igari makeup? And here's what I found. So according to Urban Dictionary, Igari is a style of makeup popular in Japan that is also known as hangover makeup. This look uses large amounts of blush and natural looking eye makeup. Is she drunk? No, she's just an Igari girl. I love Urban Dictionary, especially the ads. Escape to romance. Get started. In my search, I stumbled upon this article. Have you heard of the hangover makeup trend in Tokyo? Yes, I have. That's why I'm here. Well, did you know a new trend in Asia recently has been hangover makeup, or Igari makeup. It focuses on creating a look similar to what you expect of a hangover, including puffy under eye circles and pink skin. Yep. It's really a thing.
I was also scrolling through YouTube looking for Igari makeup tutorials, and I found a bunch of awesome creators that had done some Igari makeup looks. They're all really pretty, and I was pulling some inspiration from these girls as well. So definitely go check out all these girls, especially my girl, Tima Loves Lemons. She's all about the Igari makeup. She does Igari makeup in like every single one of her tutorials pretty much. So if you're into that, definitely go check her out.
Okay, so basing it off this picture of this beautiful girl here, it looks like a very soft, natural makeup look with a lot of pinks. So I'm gonna start off with this primer from Misha. This is their BB Boomer Cream. This just gives you that soft glow, girl. Next up, we're gonna put on a light layer of foundation. So I'm gonna use my stick foundation from NARS. This is in the color Macao. Then we're gonna grab our concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the color Mocha. Mocha Chocolate, Creole Lady Marmalade. And we're gonna set it and forget it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay, so we want to look really natural and adorable, so we're just gonna do like one eyeshadow on the lid and then some eyeliner. I'm so excited to be cute. So I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. Ignore this one. But I'm just gonna take this color right here and sweep it over the lid. A nice wash of a corally pink. Now I'm going to take this brown liner from Clio and I'm going to do a little wing. Now, usually from what I see, their wings don't go up like how I usually do it. They go more out. So let's see if I can pull that off. Okay, moment. Oh my god, did I do it? I think I did it. Oh my god. Alright, not too bad, not too bad, huh? I am not a professional, but I think this is A+ work.
Why the fuck you lying?
Next we have to do the cute little eye bag. So the article says that we have to do some highlighting and contouring to underneath the eye. So I'm literally taking a highlighter and a flat brush and I'm going to attempt to put it under my eye. And then I'm gonna take this shade of Morphe Pressed Powder to contour underneath. The face I'm making to do this is killing me. As usual, I look stupid. Next, I'm gonna put on some mascara just to finish up the eyes. The article doesn't say anything about eyebrows, but we can't really skip eyebrows, guys. So from the pictures, soft, natural eyebrows seem to be the trend. So I'm just lightly filling in my eyebrows, and then I'm just gonna put some brow gel on. Next up is the blush. I'm so excited. So the article says, next up is the pinkish flushed look to your skin. This is meant to emulate the kind of glow a lot of Asians get from drinking too much. But don't worry if you have a different colored skin tone. All you need to do to recreate this is just use a lot of blush. So you may have noticed I'm a little darker than your average Japanese girl, so. I'm gonna have to use a lot more blush. For the blush today, I'm going to be using this one. This is the multi-pot from 3CE in the color Holly Hawk. It's one of my favorites. Such a beautiful pink color. I'm gonna use this because it's creamy and really pigmented. Look at that. So I'm just going to apply. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be so cute. And the placement of it is like really high. So it's like on the cheeks, and then I'm kind of blending it up, or attempting to. Who's cute? I'm cute. Who's cute? I'm cute. What the fuck is that? Basically applying it like kind of where my concealer went. And now I want to go over this with a powder blush. So I'm using this one from VDL. This is in the color Marsala, which is one of my favorites right now. And I'm just putting it onto a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go over that. And I'm gonna go over my nose too. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna put on like a natural pink lip. So these multi-pots, they're called multi-pots for a reason. You can put them on your cheeks, your eyes, and your lips. So we're going to put a little bit on the lips. Oh my god. I'm so cute. Time to put on a wig. And of course we gotta put on a cute shirt. I look like a baby angel.
아무 일도 아닐지도 모르지만 사실 나 요즘 늘 보면 불안해 왜 이래 아닐지도 몰라 왜 이래 아닐지도 몰라.
Oh my god, guys, this is so freaking cute. This is the cutest I've ever looked. How do you think I did, guys? I think I did pretty okay. I think I look good, at least. I don't know if this is traditional Igari makeup, but I tried, okay? And I think I look cute. I look adorable. Like, I wanna pinch my own cheeks right now. If you guys think I did a good job, leave a big thumbs up and suggest what I should try next in the comments down below. I really had fun with this one. This one was really adorable. I love it. But I wanna try some new things, some crazier things maybe. I don't know. I always take your guys' suggestions into account, so make sure that you leave some suggestions in the comments down below and follow me on Instagram so that you know when I'm going to be making these videos and you can leave some suggestions. Anyways, guys, this was so much fun, but sadly, it's time to leave. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and remember that I love ya so much.